So it's like, you're gonna do it right, or you're probably just gonna go home hurt.
Yeah. Oh boy. So here's what we got. Down tree. Tried to cut it as flat as I could with a chainsaw along the top. And a bunch of old pallet 2x4s. So, I definitely have enough wood. That should do it. My goal for today is to finish the decking on the top and also jack up the log and help support it in the middle because it's a little flexy. So far, it's been laying out all right. All the nails are on the end. So I've been able to hit them with the angle grinder or just have them stick out where it's not going to bother your tires going across. You doing hyperlapse? Or regular video?
Regular.
Oh boy. What do you think? Kind of.
Yeah. I see it. The great mythical wood beast. Hi.
You might overshoot a little bit, but you can get it stopped pretty quick.
That is.
I haven't done this in a long time, man. I'm nervous, I'll be honest. Yeah, if I'm gonna crash it, this will be the end, so. There's no good place to land. You just tumble.
Here. You go off that edge, it's like. Alright, so that's actually not bad at all. Just gotta watch my back.
All right, so then what did you think of the log ride?
The log ride, that's sketchy. Just because there's no failure?
I thought the drop would would weird you out more.
Well, because I have smaller drops at least. But skinnies I don't really have any practice on, like at all.
And then someone put a 90-degree turn as soon as you get
and
on
then
it.
drop onto it at the end. Like, this one's like, you're gonna do it right, or you're probably just gonna go home hard.
Yeah.